Hi, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we will be going through the top 5 best Forex demo accounts with no time limit. Be sure to like, comment and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Let's get into it. Firstly, a demo account offers traders all the features of a real trading account, such as analysis tools, market data, indicators and customer support. However, with a demo account, you will have the chance to practice without spending any money. Demo accounts can help traders practice new strategies and understand a broker's trading platform without spending or risking any real money in the process. Demo accounts don't have access to live market data, but instead rely on simulated data. Now let's jump into the top 5 best Forex demo accounts with no time limit. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have eTorro. eTorro is an online, fully regulated global financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, stocks, commodities, ETFs, and indices. Featured platform for accounts is available on the eTorro trading platform and mobile application, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature demo, retail, and professional accounts, with negative balance protection, margin closeout restrictions, and more. eTorro also provides their very own market news and analysis panels, which cover a variety of trading topics, as well as a featured podcast and tutorial videos for you to browse through if you are looking for any additional education. Coming in at number 4 on our list, we have Hot Forex. Hot Forex is another online, fully regulated broker that specializes in trading through Forex, metals, energies, indices, and shares. Featured platforms for accounts are available on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 trading platforms, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature demo, micro, premium, zero spread, auto, and HF copy accounts with lower leverage, lower minimum deposits, variable spreads, and more. Hot Forex also provides their very own educational panels, which cover in-depth Forex trading educational videos, training courses, and webinars which you can sign up to for a more personal educational experience. At number 3 on our list, we have Plus 500. Plus 500 is a globally recognized, fully regulated online financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, indices, commodities, cryptocurrencies, shares, options, and ETFs. Featured platform for accounts is available on Plus 500's trading platform and mobile application, which is supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Plus 500 features a demo account and one live trading account, which was specifically designed to provide a variety of services to suit the needs of various levels of trading for beginners and professionals alike. Plus 500 also provides their very own educational panel, which delves into various beginner trading topics, a variety of risk management tools, as well as a trader's guide, which features a variety of helpful videos that you can browse through whenever you please. Coming in at number 2 on our list, we have IC Markets. IC Markets is an online, fully regulated financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, commodities, indices, bonds, cryptocurrencies, stocks, and futures. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and CTrader, which are supported on Windows, iOS and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature demo, raw spread, and standard accounts, with lower starting deposits, lower leverage, up to 64 tradable currency pairs, and more. IC Markets also provides their very own educational panels, which delve into beginner's guides to getting started with trading, a range of articles and written educational content, as well as a variety of video tutorials for you to browse through as you please. At last but not least, at number 1 on our list of the best Forex demo accounts with no time limit, we have XM. XM is another online, fully regulated financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, CFDs, commodities, indices, precious metals, energies, and shares. Their accounts feature demo, micro, standard, XM ultra low, and shares accounts with a variety of base currency options, negative balance protection, lower spreads, and more. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. XM also provides their very own educational learning center, which covers various in-depth trading lessons, videos and written guides, as well as a daily live streaming service and webinars that you can sign up to and take part in for a more personal educational experience. And those are the top 5 best Forex demo accounts with no time limit on our list. Subscribe to our channel for more videos and guides. Leave us a comment. Are you a beginner, intermediate, or professional trader? And tell us which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck trading.